Query extensions. We will now look at the steps to create an query extension. Add a new field in the query.
Expand the AOT node. And then expand the data model node. Expand the queries node to find the required query. Create an extension by right-clicking on your query, and select the option, Create Extension.
Right-click on the Fields node, and select the option, New Field. Right-click Query Data Source Field 1, and go to Properties. Set the required field. Add a new range in the query.
Add a range by just drag and drop of the field. Set the range value and the range status in the Properties window.
You can also set the range status.
Save and build the solution.